How to create a pet supplies e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next, and then you give it a few seconds to load to proceed to type in your password. As you can see, it's loading, and after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So I'm going with this shopping as a name, then you click on continue. After that, you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you most, and you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about pet supplies. So let's see if I can find, here it is, pet supplies. Then, and if you can't find your category in here, you go with other, then you click on continue. Then if you already have a store in the real world, like a physical store, you give them the address. If not, you skip that and you give them a few seconds to build up your store. Here it is. This is the dashboard of our store, as you can see, and here we have the edit site button and the design now button also, which does the same job as the edit site button, which is taking us to the editing phase. And here we have 9 sections, and I'm going to explain these sections first, and then I'm going to proceed to the editing phase. So let's start with the website, and it's where you can also proceed to the editing phase, and you can change your domain name or set a new domain name. Then we have the items section, and it's where you can set your site's items, create new ones, and by items we mean products. Then if you want to categorize the products that you created, you can go to sites categories and you create new categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have orders. It's where you can check the orders that you have in your store. Then we have the fulfillment, and it's where you can set up your pickup settings, your shipping settings also. Then we have the reports. We have the reports section, and it's where you can see the site's traffic reports, site's activity, sources, online sales, site's items reports, abandoned carts, and also coupons. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you can just click on summary and you can see them summarized. Then we have the marketing section. Also you have the email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments setup, and basically it's everything that is related to growing your audience or your clients. And if you want to see the summary of all these marketing tools, you can just click on summary and you can check them there. Then we have the communications, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then last but not least, we have settings, where you can change the general settings of your store or type in new ones like your company name, your address, your email, and your phone number. So just be patient with the platform, guys. It takes a little bit of time to load. Just give it a few seconds. And here, as I said, if you want to change this, you can give your company name, your address, your email, and your phone number. And then we have checkout. to set your payment processors like your Stripe account, your PayPal, and if you want to change the country and the currency of your store. Then you have the sales taxes and the units where you can change the language as you can see, or you can edit the units. So that's it for these sections, guys. Let's go to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase. So let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button, and let's give it a few seconds to load. As you can see, just a second while we build your site. And just ignore this setup guide, you can go through it if you want, but for me I'm just going to ignore it. And the first step we will need to go through to design our site is choosing styles for it, one style to be exact, and here you can choose the style that fits you most. So I'm just going with the first one, which is pretty basic for now. I can always change the style whenever I want, so it doesn't matter if you messed that up, it's okay. So this is our store. As you can see, I'm going to choose this style and I'm going to click on hide styles, check the store if that style fits my store, then click on apply site styles, and then you proceed to the site's design, where you can also change the style that you gave it before. And here if you want to add an image to be your logo, you can do that. You want to change the colors, fonts, which I'm going to change by the way from Enter to Comforta. Here it is. And if you want to play with these adjustments or these sizes, scales, and so on, you can do that until you meet your requirements. Then you click on done, and let's change the shape of the buttons and images. So let's go with rounded for buttons, and let's go with rounded also for images. Then let's click on done. And if you want to change the site's elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version, and when you're done you click on done and you close this one, and here dismiss all these ones, and here you will be able to change everything in your sections. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about this platform. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.